Guided meditation. Sit in any comfortable position. You can sit on your chair, you can sit on your bed, and you can also sit on a cushion on floor. Just be comfortable. You are going to experience meditation. You have to travel into no mind zone. Now close your eyes gently. Be aware of yourself. Be aware of yourself with your closed eyes. Try to watch your right side with your closed eyes. Try to watch toward your left side. Try to watch front of you and try to watch back of you. Your eyes are closed. Now watch yourself from ceiling. Watch yourself from ceiling. You are doing meditation. You are sitting on floor and you are watching yourself from ceiling. Just watch. Just watch and enjoy yourself. You are sitting and you are meditating. Now bring your awareness at the point between two eyes. This point is called Agya Chakra. Sometimes we also call it as Ajna Chakra. Your eyes are closed and you are looking at your Agya Chakra, the point between two eyebrows. At Agya Chakra, it looks like a screen where you can watch different colors, different scenes, different experiences. Be aware of this screen. If you are watching any color, just be aware of that color. Otherwise, be aware of black screen. Now, bring about a feeling of inner relaxation in the whole body. Be still. Be completely still. There is no movement at all. Be aware of mental screen, the point between two eyes. Be aware and relax here for some moments and enjoy the music. Now we will rotate our awareness through different parts of our body. As quickly as possible, awareness is to go from part to part. Just be aware of your body part. I speak. Do not concentrate intensely, just be aware. Become aware of right side of your body, right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger and fifth finger. Palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, right armpit, back, right side of the back, left side of the back, right hip, right thigh, right kneecap, right calf muscles, ankle, the heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, all 5 toes. Now be aware of left side of your body. Left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, back, left side of the back, right side of the back, left hip, right hip, left knees, left calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, all 5 toes. Now be aware of the back. Right hip, right lower back, left lower back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, right shoulder, left shoulder, back of the neck, back of the head, right ear, left ear, right side of the head, left side of the head, top of the head, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, point between 2 eyebrows, left eye, right cheek, left cheek, nose, upper lip, lower lip, point between 2 lips, chin, chest, left side of the chest or right side of the chest, center of the chest, navel, right side of the navel, left side of the navel, back of the navel, front of the navel. Now bring your awareness at the point between 2 eyes. Meditate here for some moment. Now become aware of your breath. Feel the flow of breath. Experience the breath. How air is going in and coming out. Experience how your breath is dancing. Beware of the rhythm of the breath. Now go to your navel. Watch your navel area. It is also dancing in a rhythmic way. Concentrate on movement of your navel. Your navel is rising and falling with every breath. Now be aware of your heart. Your heart is the center of your chest. This is called Anahata Chakra. Experience the sensation here. Experience the energy of your heart here. Be here for some moment. Experience the heart, Anahata Chakra here. Energy of Anahata Chakra is green. Experience color of green. Energy of green color. Now again come to the point between 2 eyes, the Agya Chakra, Ajna Chakra. Meditate here, meditate here, meditate here. Enjoy the music and continue